Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing this cute snowman squishmallow. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the fur on the hat. Let's draw a few bumps in the center. And then on both sides, let's continue it by curving it downwards. Now on both ends, let's continue the bumpy line going up and in. And then another bumpy line across at the top. Now top on top, and let's draw a large curve up and back down for the top of the hat. And then on top in the center, let's draw bumps going up and around for the pom-pom. And that's it for the hat. Next, let's hop down and draw the shape of the body. Let's start underneath on both sides, and let's draw a curve down and bring it in at the bottom. And then at the bottom, a curve across. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw the face. Inside at the top, let's draw two circles. And then color them both in black. Now we're going to hop to the center and draw the nose. We'll start with a curve on the right side. Now let's bring each of the lines down and over to the left, meeting at a point. And now underneath the nose, let's draw a curve for the mouth. And that's it for the face. Now underneath, let's draw the scarf. Let's start underneath on the right, and let's draw a curve across. And then from both ends, let's bring it down. And another curve across at the bottom. Now underneath, let's draw some lines down like this. Now top back up, and let's continue drawing the scarf. On the right side, let's draw two curves over. And then let's continue them on the left by bringing it all the way over like this. And then lastly, in the bottom section, let's draw two circles in the center. And that's it for the snowman squishmallow. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!